So tools that I use, we have a big pry bar, then we have this small pry bar, then a Phillips screwdriver, a flat screwdriver, and then a small flat screwdriver for the rubber grommets, and pliers or any pliers. This is for the stock plastic anchors, and long nose. Maybe you need also long nose pliers, and this is another long nose pliers with bent tip, angular. Right, so these are your tools that you need. And this door latch is not working, it's busted. Can't open the door from the inside. You have to go out like this and open the door. There you go. I have to fix this. One screw here and another screw there, and another screw here and another screw there. So and probably inside here. So I need this one small screwdriver to pry this, and maybe do this one as well. Have to pry this too. Have to pry this one as well. Like that. And there's this screw inside. There you go. This one. So this, loosen this up. One. And this. This one is a smaller screw, but this other one here for screw for this, and this are the same screws, Phillips screws with the washer. So before you can remove this panel, you have to remove this first. This is the speaker, front driver speaker, and just need this screwdriver here. Flat screwdriver should be sufficient. There you go. It has one plastic anchor here, and there is a latch. There is a latch, two latches that goes here. There you go. And you can just leave it there hanging. This is not too heavy. Two wires are holding it here as protection. I'll do the same thing also for the other ones here. There. Right. So, this. Okay. Plastic anchors here. Plastic anchors. 2, 3, then 4, and 5, and then 6, and then 7. So this one I was anchors. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plastic anchors. I'm gonna remove it and put it back here. It fell off. The same thing with the other one. This one here, so I have to remove this to fix. 4 screw. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let me see. So this is how it looks. There are 5 screws that fasten this door latch here. Have a screw here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these 3 screws fasten this door latch, and it looks like this thing here is busted. This white just came off, snapped off from here. That's why can't release it anymore. Okay, let me see. So this is from the inside, and this is broken. I don't know how I'm gonna fix this. It's broken. There is a latch here, and this small piece of plastic came off also. This one that came off. Alright, let me see if I can fix this. It's just this, and there's a latch in here. This one, this small latch, and it hooks in there. There you go. This is broken, this handle. I see what I can do on this. It's coming off. So I disassemble. I remove this pin here. Used to be like this. So this one is broken. Should be like this, but it's broken. And also this one is broken. Okay. Right, so this one goes here. So this is now the latch that I fix. I was able to put something here, something that snapped, and also there close to the spring has been broken. So I'm going to put this thing back. This has to slide. These are sliders here. Sliders for the cuts. Top on the bottom. This is for the release. And this other one here is for this. So it should be able to slide back and forth here. Same thing with the one on the top. This is the door lock. Should be able to slide back and forth. Right. And this is the thing that locks to this other one. This one here. This goes here. And this. And look, it snaps just right. Just right. Perfect. Now I can put this thing back. Save my money. I don't know how much this is though. So I usually snap those from the top. From the top first. Same thing also. Make sure these holes are aligned. There you go. It opens really good now. Perfect. Then this one. Done. Finished. So I use this one to hold this panel so that it's not going to drop. Or you can use any other thing to help support. You don't have to remove any wires. So it's not. Now I'm going to return this screw. This. And this one. And this one here. This one here. I'll put this other grommet. There you go.